welcome to Storyboard That. Today I'm going to show you how you can copy an entire cell into another cell on your storyboard. If you would like to use the same scene, the same characters over and over, you can simply go over to the right-hand menu, click Copy Cells, and you'll notice that this one is wiggling. You can drag it to where you would like it to be. You could put it in more than one cell if you wanted to. When you're happy with your copies, you can simply hit OK. If you don't like it, you could click Cancel. And there you have it. Now you can make changes so that every scene is a little bit different. And you can continue creating your storyboard. Easy peasy.